How to download and install Chromium web browser on Windows PC. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install or you can say download Chromium website on your PC. So simply you have to head over to any web browser of your choice. Then at the search bar you have to search for install Chromium web browser. Also you can search for download Chromium web browser, and there you can see these options here. Chromium, just tap download and it will start downloading it. Now tap on to download. Let's just Chromium release for 64 and 32-bit. Now here you can download it from here easily. Just tap onto the one that you wish to download and then you're good to go. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you on to another video and keep watching our videos.